Hello again. Yeah, I realised after I closed the video, because I was rushing a bit, as you gathered, that I had not shown you the facilities at the bottom. So once you close it, you can't reopen it. So remember that, or be aware of that, should I say. That was the trades, 9 out of 9. You can get the results there, so that's handy. There's other things you can do with trades that I forgot to tell you. You can move your stops and by dragging and dropping. Settings we've talked about. Oh, the graph there. I did think you could get a journal on it, but sorry, a report on it, but maybe that's something to do with memory on here or whatever. It's blank, but I'm sure I've seen journals on these things before. Maybe that's just fxblue. Sorry for sniffing there. Apologies. So let's have another go. Pick another day at random. So we'll go for, well, in fact I didn't stop this, so I can continue. So I might as well continue this one, hadn't I? Right, so we are now in a situation where we've broken through this level of resistance here. So I can move this one up. In fact, I'll move this one up because it's not being used. And the next level of resistance, well, we've hit that support there, and I'm talking about this level here. It's not true support because this wasn't a higher high, but you could count that as a double top, I suppose. I've got a feeling this is going to carry on up, so possible pullback or continuation or breakthrough here, pullback, and this would be the trade. Sorry, the mouse is playing up. So break up through there, bit of a pullback, watch the RSI histo. See, under normal circumstances, I thought of this after closing the previous video, you'd have all the different time frames to study, and a lot more time as well to study what's going on. So all we can glean from this is that there is more power to the long side, rising momentum here. Again, just little pokes to the downside, that's all I can see from that, but we'd get a lot better picture if we were looking at the 5-minute and 15-minute charts, but clearly a nice long trend up. So let's see what this continues to do. Ready on the pause button, which is down here, in order to possibly take a trade. Remember, I wanted to break up above that little resistance level there, through that support level potentially that I talked about here, and watching the RSI all the time, looking now for an RSI bust and break up here, but we've pulled down, we're on to support now. So this has now potentially reversed, but I wouldn't want to be trading into that level there. We need to trade through it, pull back, continue, and as you can see, it's using that support again. What else can we do on this? We could draw a descending trend line, although we haven't technically broken that low there. I'm talking about this there to there. Now, no, we still haven't broken the low. Difficult to see what's behind that. Now we have broken the low by the looks of it. But this looks like accumulation. We've got that ascending trend line there. Aha, now we're down. So I'd sell that under normal circumstances. And there is the trade. So you know, that's all you need to do. Just draw your ascending and descending trend lines, draw your horizontal lines. Now what's happened is, because this has made a new low here, this becomes our new level to the long side to trend through. I'm talking about this here. So once again, if it popped up, I'd be looking for it to break that level there, but we've now got, these still remain valid, but this is actually the reversal level, so that's the most powerful level, and then we've got to attack those and attack that. So we're on the hourly 8 EMA now. The RSI histo, didn't get a chance to look at that, but the 3 candle reversal, which would have happened in here, and that's something worth mentioning as well, guys. Even though I'm talking about trading tick charts, and I'm trading line charts, and I'm trading the breaks of support and resistance. I will never drop 3 candle reversals. They've been with me for 10 or so years now, more than that in fact, 12 years, and they are what I do. The same with the RSI histo. I can't believe the power of that thing. We all, as traders, I think, full-time traders, professional traders, call us what you like, would agree that we never stop. We're always learning new stuff, always gathering new stuff from other traders, taking out the good bits and so on and so forth. So it's a continual thing. So I won't make this video too long. I don't think there's anything else I've missed. Moving, you could call these dynamics trend line movements. You're just continually changing them, just like I changed that last one. This low was broken by this, so that becomes the new reversal level. So, and that's how it works. So another trend up through there, pullback, continuation, follow the RSI, and that is all you have to learn, guys. This works on any currency pair, any indices, stocks, stock charts, you name it, all the commodities. The same thing works on all of them, and it works on multiple time frames. So if you want to trade the H4 chart, you just bring up an H4 chart, you draw the lines in the same way, trend lines and so on and so forth, and wait for that trend line break, a support and resistance break, and using the RSI, and in my opinion you can't go wrong. One thing I don't mention though, higher time frames, this may seem obvious to old hacks, but remember that these, if you're trading a 4-hour reversal, these things can go anywhere and they'll whipsaw you all over the place before going. So you've got to adjust your stops according to the time frame you're trading. That's why I love scalping. Okay, have a great Sunday. Thanks for watching. Let's quickly look at the results there again. So we're still on 1 day, and I would normally not trade like this because I'd be using all the time frames and I would stay out of the market quieter times a day. But you can see, 1 day, 10 trades, 10 winners, 1 currency pair, 11 pips a go, and that's over. And then it's an arbitrary level, arbitrary number of pips I've chosen here, 11, but that effectively is 10%, 5,000, with using just simple targets and entries. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.